Now, you've seen AI beat humans at chess, heard it write essays, edit videos, and plan trips. But what if your AI actually understood you emotionally? Not just automation, but affection. That is exactly what LG is planning to do. But how does LG make empathy something that you can install? Well, LG is aiming for this with its new vision, affectionate intelligence, because this is not about humans adapting to tech. It is about technology adapting to us. So this vision that LG is looking towards is that every device from TVs to washers are now built with empathy in mind. They don't just respond, they adapt, and most importantly, they also learn. But the question is, are we ready for AI in our homes? Well, turns out a lot of people are already using it, and I'm sure you are too. From using AI chatbot for research to voice controlling things at your home, AI has already become a part of our daily lives. But here's the thing, most people confuse smart with truly intelligent. So LG is bridging that gap, because while smart homes just respond to commands, LG AI learns your habits, anticipates your needs, and adapts. Now let's start off with something that we use daily, our TVs. With LG's new OLED Evo AI TV G5 with the Alpha 11 AI processor Gen 2, this isn't just a screen, it's a personal cinema assistant. Now with this, you get the AI picture wizard that auto-adjusts visuals, the AI sound wizard that turns your living room into a concert hall or a cinema, where it understands what you're watching and adjusts the audio mix in real time, which results in a clearer voice and also richer bass. Then there's also the AI concierge to help you discover content that you actually like, and even a voice ID system that knows who in your family is speaking, so no more blaming your dad or your mom for messing up with the Netflix algorithm anymore. And with the new redesign of the AI Magic Remote, it is still very much magic, where it has all the controls literally in your hands. Plus, it's also Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos ready, and yes, gaming ready too. Then there's also the Stand By Me 2, which is a touch screen, which is also a smart screen with a built-in battery. So yeah, imagine a TV without a power outlet, since it can be wireless, which is perfect for any room or even using it outdoors. Now speaking of being wireless, the Zero Connect box also makes things easier, with a setup being clutter-free and wire-free from the box to your TV. Now another thing that is super relatable, especially for us here in Malaysia, is managing this crazy heat and the humidity levels. Because gone are the days that air conditions are being perceived as power-hungry monsters that raises your electricity bills. Because with LG's AI Air Solutions, your AC adjusts to the airflow automatically, direct when you're active or need cooling really fast, or gives you a soft breeze or indirect when you're resting or don't want a cold air hitting on your face while you're working or sleeping, where it smartly switches the airflow based on the room conditions, so no more standing right in front of your aircon and pressing and adjusting the AC every 5 minutes. Plus, it even learns your sleep pattern using the Sleep Timer Plus and preps for the perfect temperature for your bedtime, so you wake up refreshed, not freezing or feeling really hot. But the best part is that if your window is open, it even detects that too, so no more cooling the whole neighborhood when you accidentally left your window or your balcony door open. On top of that, there's also the AI Kilowatt Manager built into the LG ThinQ app, so it helps you to set power goals, monitors usage, and adjust in real time to save you money. But LG is not leaving behind their home appliances, as their new wash towers uses AI Direct Drive 2.0 with deep learning, where it auto detects the load size, soil levels, fabric types, and decides suitable washing patterns. And with the new Easy Dispense feature, it even pre-measures your detergent for up to 31 cycles, so that is 31 times that you don't have to guess and ask yourself, enough soap? And for pet lovers, the 20 or the 10 kg washer dryer now includes the pet care cycle that reduces 99% of pet odors and stain, and this is something that I really need because of my cat Luna. And then there's also the LG True Steam Styler Mirror, which is a vertical closet that steams your clothes, reduces odors, shakes out fine dust, and even comes with a built-in hand steamer to reduce stubborn wrinkles. So you basically got a walk-in dry cleaner at home. Next, remember the InstaView fridge where you knock it to see inside? It has a new mood up feature with over 174,000 light color combinations to match your vibe. So yes, your fridge can now set the mood at crow parties better than most people. Now on top of that, it can even add custom eye shapes, and with the fresh converter plus temperatures, that could be set by food type with appropriate settings for meat, fish and even vegetables as well. And all in all, even lets you to clean the fridge without unplugging. Then the LG NeoChef microwave oven isn't just a microwave. It uses a smart inverter technology to cook, defrost and even ferment yogurt evenly. And speaking of the InstaView earlier, there's also the LG InstaView built in for a full steam oven where you can knock it twice to check on your food. Then there's also the new LG Puricare Atom U water purifier that is placed underneath your sink, not on top. So it saves space and gives you tankless clean water with a 4-stage all-puri filter system where it even sterilizes itself with UV, and yes, you can even monitor everything on the LG ThinQ app. But how about cleaning? Well, vacuuming is also getting a glow up because the LG Cord Zero robot vacuum not only auto detects surfaces, but it also cleans, drains and even dries itself without any human contact. Yup, you don't even need to touch it. And it also maps your home with a LiDAR sensor just like a self-driving car. So LG is definitely making it so smart that it feels like it's saying, I've got this. You go and rest. Meanwhile, the LG's all-in-one tower has features like auto empty and has hassle-free all-in-one storage, together with a dual power pack with longer uninterrupted cleaning, which means that it can keep your space spotless without any effort at all. So throughout this convention, LG has made it very clear that innovation is no longer about more specs, it's more about understanding. From laundry, living rooms to even your kid's room, LG is shaping a world where tech isn't just a part of your home, it's part of your life.